Croeso I Dysgu Cymraeg gyda Teulu. Miss Worth yma. Morning everyone, this is Miss Worth and welcome to Learning Welsh with your family. So some of our Year 3 and 4 pupils had their Welsh placemats included in their home learning packs. Shortly afterwards we thought about it and we discovered that parents and pupils may not know the correct pronunciation of the words or the phrases on the cards. So we decided that we would put a few videos together so that families can learn Welsh together, starting with the very basics. So today we are starting with our Welsh greetings. When you first greet someone, it is customary and polite to say hello. And in Welsh, you can say hello, which means hello, or hello, which means hello, or shwmae, which means hello. Also, at the end of a conversation, you might say goodbye. You might say hwyl fawr, which means goodbye, or da bo chi, which also means goodbye. When you greet someone, sometimes you make reference to the time of the day. For example, bore da, good morning. Prynhawn da, good afternoon. Noswaith da, good evening. And nos da, good night. To extend the use of bore, morning, prynhawn, afternoon, or noswaith, evening, and nos, night, you could ask the question, pryd wyt ti'n mynd? For example, pryd wyt ti'n mynd i'r cinema? When are you going to the cinema? This can be answered by saying, dwi'n mynd i'r cinema yn y bore? Dwi'n mynd i'r cinema yn y noswaith? To extend this further, you can take it to the past tense and say, pryd es ti? Where did you go? Next time you're sending an email or video calling someone, maybe start with a Welsh greeting and maybe finish by saying hwyl fawr or da bo chi. In the next video, we will look at the first picture on the Year 3 to 6 placemat, which is pwy wyt ti or beth yw dy enw di. If you want access to our follow-up activities and the work that is related to our bore da, prynhawn da today, please add us on the Google Classrooms. Our classroom code is coming up on the screen now. Also, if you have any suggestions for things you might like to learn or any questions you want to ask, please email me on the email address below. To see us out now, we have some very special people who you may recognise helping us demonstrate how to use these phrases.
Bore da, bore da, bore da, bore da, bore da, bore da, bore, bore da.
Bore da. Bore da.
Bore da, Will.
Bore da, Sarah.
Bore da, plant ysgol Gwyndar.
Bore da. Dewch yma, Zach, dewch yma. Bore da, Zach.
Bore da, Mummy.
Bore da.
Bore da.
Bore da, Bel. Prynhawn da, Blant.
Prynhawn da, Gwyndar Primary. Prynhawn da. You'll go.
Prynhawn da.
Gihel.
Prynhawn da, Sean.
Prynhawn da, Miss Harris.